Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering SmartSheet functions and boosting your productivity. SmartSheet is a powerful tool for managing data and offers robust project management features, real-time collaboration, and workflow automation, making it suited for managing tasks and projects across teams. The COUNTIF, and COUNTIFS functions in SmartSheet are essential tools for analyzing and summarizing data. Each function allows you to count the number of cells that meet specific criteria, making them invaluable for data management, reporting, and decision-making. The count function is the simplest of the three, used to count the number of cells in a range that contain numerical data. The basic syntax for the count function consists of just the range of cells you want to count. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you need to count the number of sales figures in a given period. Enter the sales figures in a range of cells. Use the count formula to count the values. This formula will return the total number of cells within the specified range that contain numbers. The COUNTIF function counts the number of cells in a range that meet a single condition. The basic syntax for the COUNTIF function is displayed on the screen. Imagine you want to count the number of times a specific product appears in a list. Enter the product names in a column. Use the COUNTIF formula to count the occurrences of that specific product. This formula will return the number of times the product that meets the condition you specified appears in the list. Let's break down the formula. Range. This is the range of cells that you want to evaluate against the criteria. For example, it could be a list of products or regions. Criteria. This is the condition that must be met for a cell to be counted. It can be a specific number, text, expression, or even a cell reference. The COUNTIFS function allows you to count cells based on multiple criteria. The basic syntax for the COUNTIFS function is displayed on the screen. Imagine you want to count the number of times a specific product appears in a list within a certain region. Enter the product names in one column, regions in another. Use the COUNTIFS formula to count the occurrences of that product in the specified region. This formula will return the number of times the product that matches both the product and region criteria appears. Let's break down the COUNTIFS formula. Criteria range. This is the first range of cells that you want to evaluate. Each cell in this range is tested against the corresponding criteria 1. Criteria 1. This is the condition that must be met for the cells in criteria_range 1. Like with COUNTIF, it can be a specific number, text, expression, or a cell reference. Criteria range 2, criteria 2. These are additional pairs of ranges and criteria. You can include multiple criteria ranges and corresponding conditions to count cells that meet all specified conditions. These functions are invaluable in scenarios where you need to perform quick and accurate counts of your data. Here are a few examples of their practical applications. Data analysis. Use these functions to count occurrences of specific values in your datasets, helping you identify trends or patterns. Project management. Quickly count the number of tasks completed, resources allocated, or issues resolved based on specific criteria. Reporting. Apply these functions to generate reports that count the frequency of certain events, product sales, or customer feedback. And there you have it. By mastering the COUNTIF, and COUNTIFS functions in SmartSheet, you can efficiently analyze your data and make informed decisions. Whether you're managing projects, analyzing customer data, or generating reports, these functions are essential tools that can help you streamline your work and achieve better results. We hope this tutorial helps you master date formulas in Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.